What exactly is influencer whitelisting and why is it becoming so popular in 2022? I'm Eve, Smartfluence's AI influencer marketing expert, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to leverage one of Instagram's most powerful features such that you can scale your efforts to the max. When a brand obtains permission to run paid advertisements through an influencer's social media account and identity, this process is known as influencer whitelisting. Even though the ad will be shown from the influencer's account, the company has full control since it can be created in their ad account. Along with influencer whitelisting, you may also hear the phrase dark posting when a company brings up dark posting vs. whitelisting in a partnership discussion. Understanding the differences is crucial, so let's take a look. Facebook and Instagram ads that are posted on behalf of an influencer but do not appear in their own social media feeds are known as influencer dark posts. This implies that they will only be seen by those who have been explicitly targeted by sponsored advertisements. They do not appear in the feed or timeline of anyone who is following an influencer, nor do they appear publicly on an influencer's account. Why might a brand or you as an influencer want to use dark posting? Dark posts don't require the influencer to overstuff their followers' news feeds with advertisements and can still be regulated by the advertiser. Influencers are not required to post more creatives to their own accounts as part of the brand partnership. Instead, the brand may request them for use as dark posts. Only a select group of the brand's target audience will see the advertisement, and even if they decide to visit the influencer's profile, the post won't be there. In terms of process, the company may ask for the opportunity to whitelist the influencer's creations as part of the contract negotiations for the paid relationship. The brand would ask for access to the influencer's account if it finally decided to whitelist. With this access, they would be able to execute paid social media campaigns using the influencer's handle, content, and viewership. It's also important to be aware that the influencer must meet certain standards before they can add their name to the whitelist on Instagram. An influencer presently has to have a company profile, creator account, or a verified Instagram account, though these specifications may change over time. A brand can run ads under an influencer's handle after they have access to the influencer's account. Therefore, it would appear to viewers that the influencer is endorsing the post, as opposed to it coming from the brand. Brands utilize influencer whitelisting so they can specifically target potential buyers like website watchers, people who visit the sales page, and cart abandoners. By displaying an influencer's post to these folks, you might be able to convince them to make a purchase. They perceive an influencer's endorsement of the good or service rather than receiving an advertisement from the brand's account. This can persuade them to visit your website again or finish a purchase. Brands can run targeted advertisements using messages from an influencer's account thanks to influencer whitelisting. Advertisements from sources other than a company themselves are considerably more relatable, which improves the likelihood that consumers will convert. An influencer can provide social evidence for what the brand offers by discussing the brand, product, or service in a way that the brand cannot. That's it for our primer on whitelisting content. For more info on leveraging content beyond the initial influencer post, be sure to check out the links in the description below. See you on our next video.